So another one of these videos where we have to find r given the volume. This time it's a hemisphere. So we've 2/3 pi r cubed for a hemisphere is equal to hemisphere A. If you want to label it A, 13122 pi. Cm cubed are the units, so we can cancel our pi's or divide by pi. So we want the r cubed on its own. So r cubed is going to be equal to 3 by 13, 122, and we'd have to divide by the 2. That's going to give r cubed to be 19,683, and the cube root of that is 27. So you should be masters at these at this point. Hemisphere B, pi is 22/7, 2/3 pi r cubed has to be equal to 5749 1/3, 5749 1/3. So if we multiply that by 3, is there pi in here? No, there's no pi involved. Pi is 22/7. So 2/3 by 22/7 by r cubed is equal to, the right is going to be 3 by 5749, 17,247, 17,248/3. That means I could cancel my 3's, and I could say r cubed is equal to 17,248. This is what I'm typing into my calculator as I do it. 17,248 times 7 divided by 44, if you want to write it like that, 2 by 22. So r cubed is 2744, and that has a perfect cube root of 14, and we're dealing in millimeters this time. In C, we're looking for the curved surface area. We're told the curved surface area. We know that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So for a hemisphere, it's 2 pi r squared. For the curved surface area, which is what we're asked, but if we were looking for the surface area of a hemisphere, we'd have to include that little circle on top there. So we're just looking for this bit in here, the curved surface area. So 2 pi r squared is equal to 44,31166. So obviously when you divide across using pi is 3.14, this question will work out evenly. It's the way they're set up. So 2 by 3.14 r squared is equal to 44,311.66. So r squared is equal to 44,311.66 divided by 6.28, or you can leave it as is, because the calculator will do the work for you. You just have to decide at what point you want to simplify. So you're going to get r squared here to be 7,056, and the square root of 7056 is, when you did it in primary school, you learned that it was 84, and you don't need your calculator for that bit. So that's this video. Same as the previous two, just dealing with hemispheres instead of spheres and cylinders.